Hello, lovely student. How are you? I wish you and your loved ones are well. Do you remember my name? I hope you remember. It's Naila. Yes, I'm Naila from Learn Azerbaijani. And this is next part of learning natural objects. In this lesson, you will learn about stars, sun, or moon, or wind, and everything that you can imagine about nature. Okay, let's start with your first word. This soil, soil or ground. This in Azerbaijani it is torpaq, torpaq. Yes, torpaq. It's pronounced like this, torpaq. Yes, torpaq. For example, this is soil. Bu torpaqtır. Bu torpaqtır. Next word. Cliff or rock. It is Gaya in Azerbaijani. And in English, you say the smaller one, like chunks, you say them stone. This is smaller one. And the bigger one are called rock or cliff. In Azerbaijani, it's like this. Smaller one called dash. Dash. Yes, dash. But the bigger one known as Gaya. Gaya. You can see Gaya, the bigger one, in mountains. But when it comes to dash or stone, you can see them in street or in the ground. Yes, great. I wish you understood. The next word. Wind. Wind is külək. Külək. Like pronounced like this. Külək. 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 For example, if you would like to say it's windy, you can say küləklidir or hava küləklidir. Hava küləklidir. Next word. Snow. Snow is gar. Gar. R sound. R. Gar. Gar. Great. Next one. Rain. Rain means yağış. 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 Yes, yağış. For example, if you would like to say it's raining, you say yağış yağar. Yağış yağar. Yes, yağış yağar. Dear student, in the coming packs, you will learn some sentences with using these words. That's why you should be careful about learning them, because with the help of this word, you will make some sentences in coming packs. These packs will be beginner packs or like elementary packs. Thank you. Another one. Sun. Sun. Sun means güneş. 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 Good job. Another one. Star. Star. It is ulduz. 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 Great. Ulduz. Next one. Moon. The moon. Moon is I. Short word. I. Like me. I am. I. The same pronunciation. I. These are all the words that you have to learn about the part 2 nature. I hope they will be easier for you to understand. Thank you. Bye bye.